The Audio-Technica AT6028 Record Cleaner combines record care and display in one compact palm-sized tool that feels thoughtfully designed for everyday use. Its velvet record brush does a reliable job of lifting surface dust before playback, which noticeably cuts down on pops and crackles without being harsh on the grooves. A fold-out nylon stylus brush makes it easy to clean the needle safely, helping both sound quality and the long-term health of your cartridge and records. The integrated stand that props up the record jacket while the album spins is a surprisingly fun touch, turning listening sessions into more of a visual experience. Because the tool is small and self-contained, it stores neatly with your turntable setup or in a portable record player case, so it is always on hand when you need it. Backed by Audio-Technica's long history in analog audio, the AT6028 feels like a well-executed, no-nonsense accessory that genuinely improves vinyl listening with minimal effort.